Hey, what's up guys? I am Alex Branning. I want to talk to you guys today about offer maximizers. In the affiliate marketing space, what gets your audience to take action with you? I'm also going to sprinkle in some helpful tips for those of you like me that are in the done-for-you agency space. Whether you're a digital marketer, a copywriter, etc., how can you turn affiliate offers into work for you in your agency? We're going to dive into that. You need them to take action. So we're going to be talking about whether you're just affiliate marketer, getting your audience to take action, and if you're an agency, not only getting them to take action on your affiliate offer, but how to turn that into a call where you can then upsell into done-for-you services. So let's dive in. So I have 3 offer maximizers that I use to help my audience take action on grabbing the offer from me right now. The first one, startup shortcuts. Now, I'm one of the top affiliates in the ClickFunnels space. The reason why I'm one of the top affiliates in there is because I give my audience shortcuts to making ClickFunnels work for them. I give them free funnels so that they can start using it for their business. I also give them email sequences that they can use with the funnels. So that's one example of a startup shortcut. There was another program that I did that was pretty successful about podcasts. My startup shortcut for the podcast program, which had a really rich and lucrative affiliate commission. So I really wanted to dive into that. I created my very own podcast checklist that I added as an addendum. I said, if you get this course, I'm going to send this to you. Another example of a startup shortcut, when people sign up for banner season under my account, which is how I send direct mail to all of my clients, when people sign up for banner season, my startup shortcut is I give them campaigns and I give them this cool little video library that I made of how I use banner season so that they can start taking action. So the key for this is if they're looking to take action on the offer, whether it's ClickFunnels, banner season, agent CRM, a branding group product, or anything else, what is going to get them to take action right now? Making sure that they can start seeing a return on their investment. Now, you want to be the only one, or you want to be the person who is providing that. So it's okay to create copycat offers, but your copycat offer better be a lot better than everybody else's out there. And then also give them a timeline, right? So this helps around launches. For something that's evergreen like ClickFunnels, it's hard to add urgency to this. But for like the podcast course that we did, it was we had an offer. You had to take advantage of this the day before the cart closed. Why the day before? Because I didn't want to be in competition with everybody else that was promoting this product. So that's the startup shortcuts. Now, support. This is huge. This is surprising how well this helps my affiliate offers convert. The support that I give my buyers when they get my product. So for ClickFunnels, I had a Facebook group. I let them email me, and I provide regular emails to my list of people who have bought ClickFunnels through my link, helping them out, giving them tutorials, making sure that they're having success with ClickFunnels. Now, for many people, when they look around for someone to sign up for ClickFunnels underneath, they're not just looking for bonuses. Most people, honestly, that's not their decision maker. They want to know, if I sign up for this and I get stuck, what happens now? Like, what is my next step? So when I provide support, people will say, Alex, I signed up under you because you offered support, because you made yourself accessible, right? So for those of you that are promoting Social Magnet, for example, which I think we have one of the richest offers around social media software for Social Magnet. If you're promoting Social Magnet, then what is the support? Like, for example, you can share and say, you know what? For everyone that signs up under Social Magnet using my link, I'm going to send out a monthly quick email about what's working on social media for me. And now, boom, you're providing support. Now, for something like Social Magnet, what is a startup shortcut? Maybe your startup shortcut is when you sign up for Social Magnet, I'm going to give you a 7-minute video on how I use Social Magnet. So now they can see an over-the-shoulder demonstration of you using it. Then you're providing support, and then supplemental products. This is the third one. This is huge. I'm going to come back to support for those of you that are like me that do an agency. Supplemental products. Now for me, when people sign up for ClickFunnels under me, things that I include are, I have a training library of how to make funnels beautiful. I had special design courses. I had copy and paste headlines, and we had a whole bunch of graphics, things that we actually sell. But when you sign up for ClickFunnels under us, we give it to you. We also had a Facebook ads course. We were giving that away for people that signed up under our link for ClickFunnels, which really helped drive a lot of people into our world. So very exciting stuff. It was the supplemental product because people wanted the funnel and they wanted a way to drive traffic to it. It just worked together really, really well. So the supplemental product is something that you want to look at because when they're looking at any offer, they're going to look at, can I get started quickly? If I get stuck, what's going to happen? And then is Alex, or in this case, are you going to help me maximize the product that I'm about to buy? Now, for those of you that run an agency, I want you to think about this. We used what was the offer? The One Funnel Away Challenge. We used the One Funnel Away Challenge to create a little over 700 leads for our Done For You agency. So not only were we one of the top people in the One Funnel Away Challenge promoting it and getting people to sign up, but we used that to create over 700 leads for a Done For You service. How did we do it? We said, if you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge under us, we're gonna hop on a call and help you craft your offer and answer questions about ClickFunnels and the One Funnel Away Challenge. And this is free. This is a 30-minute support call. People were like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, because they've seen my success. They wanted a call with me, and this was something I was giving for free. So people were diving in. Guess what happens on the support call? Yes, I provide overwhelming value. I over-deliver. I give them ideas. I help them see maybe some mistakes that they're potentially making in their offer as they build this out. You know what else I do? I offer them my services. I look to sell them something while I'm on the phone with them. I was able to turn a lot of those support calls into sales because I was there as a resource. I was there to help. And then they would ask me questions and I would say, you know what, 30 minutes isn't really enough time to help with this. However, I have a way that I can help you. I can help you with this service. I can help you with this other product that I have. So these support calls turn into sales calls. For those of you that are in the Done For You space, I want you to look at affiliate offers not as competition, as opportunity. Opportunity to make money for people that are already looking for your services. I know if someone's looking for ClickFunnels, they're looking for funnel builders. I know that if they're looking for ClickFunnels, they're looking for traffic. I know that if they're looking for banner season, they're looking for marketing. I know that if they're looking for, what's the word for Jim Edwards thing? Funnel scripts, they're looking for copywriting help, right? So I'm able to take what they're doing, by clicking on my offer, they're raising their hand and saying, I'm stuck with this, I need help. Excellent, right? So I get to make money when they take advantage of my link, right? And then I'm able to support and turn that into more sales. So in summary, when you're putting together your affiliate offer, look at adding a startup shortcut to it so they can take action right away. Look at offering support above and beyond what the company provides that is selling the product. Look at supplemental products that you can include to help them really get a good return on their investment. And you're creating a customer. This affiliate purchase that they're making is not the only sale that you're going to make from this client. It's the first sale. The more support, the more that you stay in contact with them, the more that you'll be able to generate revenue from that relationship. I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here. I would love to see your affiliate marketing business take off.